Before the opening bell, U.S. indices closing higher on Tuesday, led by shares in healthcare equipment and services, media and software and services sectors. On the economic docket, Empire Manufacturing fell to 3.9 in January from 11.5 in December, while in other news, PPI final demand decreasing by 0.2% month over month in December as advancers ahead of decliners. 75% of SP 500 constituents trading higher yesterday. Now, after the markets closed, Goldman Sachs reporting fourth quarter EPS of $6.04 versus $5.68 a year ago and $6.28 the previous quarter. Ford posting fourth quarter adjusted EPS of 30 cents versus 39 cents a year ago. The company expects full year 2019 sales to be flat year over year. Fiserv and First Data announcing a definitive merger agreement under which Fiserv will acquire First Data in an all-stock transaction. First Data shareholders receiving a fixed exchange ratio of 0.303 Fiserv shares for each share of First Data common stock they own for an equity value of $22 billion. And Amazon may delay the $1 billion investment plans for its India business at least till Lok Sabha elections are over and the new government is in place in the second half of the year. This reported by the Business Standard, citing unidentified people familiar with the matter. Turning overseas, Asian markets mostly higher today. The Nikkei down 0.55%, with the Hang Seng up 0.25%. China CSI 300 up 0.02%. South Korea's Kospi up 0.43%. European markets mixed, and U.S. futures calling for a slightly higher open. Now, in terms of expectations today, U.S. Bancorp fourth quarter EPS seen at $1.06. Charles Schwab fourth quarter EPS seen at 64 cents. PNC Financial Services fourth quarter EPS seen at $2.78. While on the economic docket, 8:30 in the morning, we have both import and export prices. 2 p.m. sees the U.S. Beige Book be published. Now, taking a look at the markets, the SP 500 is where we begin. That sees further advance, and that's in focus. Now, the relative strength index advocates for further upside. Long positions above 2,600 are favored, with targets at 2620 and 2635.50 in extension. The Nasdaq, meanwhile, sees further advance, while the Dow Jones sees further advance as well.